Well, after last video, hopefully things are better in this video, and they are. They're looking a little bit better. But today we have an enhanced risk of severe weather driven by a 30% wind risk, 5% tornado risk, and a 15% hatched hail risk. Now, let me just say, we also have a slight risk over there in Richmond, Virginia area, which is driven mainly by wind. But there could be some isolated hail. And then tomorrow, we have another slight risk, which kind of cuts through my backyard again. But I'm in the marginal, thank God. It's driven by 15% hatched wind risk and a 15% hail risk. The day 3 risk, just a marginal. Again, we were literally predicting today or tomorrow to go slight, but I did not think it was going to be this big of a slight risk. And then day 3, basically the same thing, but just a marginal. And then day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8 is going to be about normal. Now let's go to the GF, well, not the GFS, the WSP. No, it's WPC. I thought it was WSP, but it's WPC. So as you can see, well, here is the forecasts. Again, as you can see, we have enhanced Cape values, it's looking like, and a triple point in southeastern North Dakota, and also we have a jet stream going on, which this jet stream will bring colder air to many areas that's seeing hotter weather. But then, day 2, actually, I don't think you can do day 2. Now we're going to go to the, now we're going to go to the excessive rain outlook. Do not use my location. Again, we have a day 1 slight, triple slight. Day 2, we have a slight. Day 3, we have another slight. Day 4, a big slight. And day 5, 2 more smaller slights. So, yeah, hopefully, wait, there's a tornado on the ground. Ryan Hall, y'all just said a tornado on the ground. Let me just go into a stream because I have no freaking idea what's going on. Ryan Hall.
Winds, and there's actually a decent tornado threat today as well, okay?
Storm chasers on the ground, not tornado on the ground. But yeah, that's our outlook, and now we can go to the GFS model. So the GFS model looks to be pretty normal. As you can see, we have, of course, this is going to cause flooding in Iowa, and as you can see, we have a lot of high-pressure systems and low pressure. That's actually our first Colorado low of the season, as the winter season tries to come back in more Arctic blasts. So let's go check out the hurricane risk. Well, this is being very closely monitored, as you can see. We are very closely paying attention to this. As you can see, this could become a hurricane and make landfall in the United States. But now it's just kind of a tropical mess that could try to spin up something else. Now on to weatherwise, where we can see some hurricane stuff and what is going to happen. Of course, unfortunately, we do have a tropical storm now developing by Hawaii, and this was expected. As you can see, there it is. And also, we have another tropical disturbance. I just saw that on radar. And all of this in a new mesoscale discussion up in Minnesota. So, yeah, if you're enjoying this video, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button. Also, there is a flash flooding mesoscale in Ohio, which includes cities such as Cincinnati, Ohio, places even as far as Charleston, West Virginia. Also, this goes to Columbus, Ohio, Dayton, Ohio, Springfield, Ohio, Parkersburg, West Virginia, Morgantown. Is that Maryland? No, that's West Virginia. And other places. It almost makes it to Indianapolis, but it doesn't. So if you're in this, please be in your flash flood prone areas. As a matter of fact, in Chili Coffee, it's flooding already. And there is a flash flood warning that is observed by Columbus. So hopefully you're enjoying this, as I said a minute ago. And also we have a severe thunderstorm warning in New Mexico. It is driven by Oh, it just got canceled. Just as I say that. But yeah, 2-inch hail, 60-mile-an-hour winds, but 70-mile-an-hour winds. And a hook trying to develop near Fairfield. So if you're in this further downstream Minneapolis, we might go live tonight on Twitch. So be monitoring that. And please consider subscribing, liking this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.